Hey students, worried about app security? Feeling overwhelmed by threats like SQL injection, XSS, or insecure APIs? Don't sweat it. AiToolslink's got your back. Today, we're diving into 5 amazing AI tools that can help you code safe, secure apps without spending sleepless nights over vulnerabilities. These tools are perfect for IT students like you, especially if you want to impress your professors, ace your projects, and maybe even build the next big thing safely. So grab your laptop and stick around. Don't skip Tool 3. Let's lock down your code together. Tool 1. GitHub Copilot. CodeQL first up. GitHub Copilot plus CodeQL. You've heard of Copilot, your AI coding buddy. But here's the twist. Pair it with CodeQL, GitHub's own vulnerability detection engine. Feature. It uses semantic code analysis to scan for vulnerabilities like buffer overflows, injection flaws, and insecure deserialization. Benefit. You get real-time help writing code and checking it, kind of like having a teaching assistant who never sleeps. Story time. One student at NTNU built a password manager and used Copilot with CodeQL. The result? A clean, secure backend and top marks in class. Tool 2. Snyk code. Tool 2 is key. Meet Snyk code, a fast AI-powered static analysis tool. Feature. It highlights security issues as you code, suggesting fixes for everything from insecure libraries to dangerous data flows. Benefit. You learn secure coding habits while developing. That means better grades, fewer bugs, and more confidence. Pro. Tip. Many student devs use the free plan to keep their Git repos squeaky clean. If you're on a budget, this one's a no-brainer. Tool 3. Deep Code by Snyk. Don't skip Tool 3. It's like spell check, but for security flaws. Deep Code by Snyk uses machine learning to read and understand your code base across multiple languages, like Java, Python, and JS. Feature. It detects hard-to-spot logic errors and security risks that traditional linters miss. Benefit. You fix issues before they reach GitHub, your teacher, or worse, the real world. Why it matters. A student at UIO used Deep Code in a fintech app project. Their professor said it was the most secure student submission in years. Tool 4. SonarQube plus SonarLint. Tool 4 is a power combo. SonarQube plus SonarLint. Feature. SonarLint works inside your IDE to flag bugs and vulnerabilities, while SonarQube provides deep dive analysis on code quality and security. Benefit. You'll build a solid coding foundation while learning secure software principles that employers love. This isn't just for grades, it's for your career. Bonus. It supports group projects, so if you're collaborating, SonarQube helps keep everyone's code up to standard. Tool 5. Microsoft Security DevOps, Secure DevOps Kit. Last but not least, Microsoft Security DevOps, aka Secure DevOps Kit. Feature. It's a powerful toolset that uses AI to enforce security best practices throughout your DevOps pipeline. Benefit. Great for students working on cloud apps, especially if you're deploying to Azure. Standout feature. The kit includes ARM template scanning, secret detection, and compliance checks. One student team used it in a hackathon and won Best Secure Deployment. Let that be you next time, and there you have it. 5 top AI tools to help you code secure apps like a pro. Whether you're building your first CRUD app or launching a secure startup MVP, these tools can elevate your code and your confidence. Let's recap. GitHub Copilot plus CodeQL Snyk code, Deep Code, SonarQB plus SonarLint Microsoft Secure DevOps. Kit try one, try them all, and let us know how they work for you. Thanks for watching. AiToolslink. Subscribe for more student-friendly AI tools. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment with your own security tips below. Stay secure, stay coding, and see you in the next video.